All right, we're gonna take a pretty cool little cruise here in a 1948 Plymouth Coupe. And you don't see a lot of Plymouths fixed up. They're pretty cool. They're unique. You know, they still have that same body style of the era of the 40s, late 40s, big fenders and all that. But this one's it's kind of a cool old school hot rod. Got it from a guy that built it over the years. It's got a bored out 360, 30 over. It's got a 727 automatic transmission. It's got an 8.8-inch rear end in it out of a Barracuda. It fit perfect. So, but power steering, rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes up front. It's got a Fat Man front end up there, so it's a little modernized suspension. Thing runs great. I mean, really smooth, made to drive. It's got tilt wheel. Got some gauges down there too, some aftermarket gauges. A little floor shifter there with a reverse lockout. It's got most of the remnants for vintage air. It's the heater and everything works. I do have a compressor for it and the bracketry if somebody wanted to finish that up. So that's kind of cool, you know. Save some money if you want to put AC in it. But interior's real nice. Headliner's real clean. But if you nail it, man, that thing goes pretty good. Nice and smooth too. It's got a nice smooth ride, no rattling or shaking or shimmying. You know, it's modernized enough to go take it on the cruise nights, you know, with all the boys, cars and coffee. But pretty neat, and a little less money than a Chevy or a Ford too, being a Plymouth. So we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you so you can get a better look at it. All right, check out this unique ride here, 1948 Plymouth Coupe. It's got a back seat in it, so it's not the business coupe. It's a coupe you can take your family in. And these are the Fat Fendered Series cars. They got a cool look to them. They kind of molded in the running boards back then, got rid of them and kind of flared out the bottom. Gives it a nice look. Nice, decent paint. You know, the paint's old, but still very presentable. Guy took good care of it, kept it in the garage all the time, kept it waxed. Total classic car guy. He had a few cars. But it's got the Moonies on there, the steel chrome Moonies. Like I said earlier, it's got a 8.8-inch rear end out of a Barracuda, like a 70 Cuda. So it's got a good set of brakes in the back and everything, and good gears. And it also has a Fat Man front end, which is a modernized front suspension. So it's got power rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes. He put the vintage air system in, but didn't finish the AC part, so the heater works. I have the rest of the parts for the AC. If somebody wanted to finish that up, or maybe we can help you out or refer you to a place to get that finished before you take it. But all the chrome is beautiful, all the trim. You know, it's got side port exhaust. Again, it's a 360 V8, bored 30 over. Couple performance goodies on there, Edelbrock intake and carburetor. Nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. 727 automatic transmission. You know, that's all the good stuff. You want to just go cruise this thing? It's got a comfortable interior. It's got bucket seats. It's got a center console in there. I think that was like an Explorer center console, I think he said. It's kind of cool. You can put your stuff in there. Got a couple cup holders. A local shop named Richie's Upholstery did the interior. Did a nice job on it. You know, it's all vinyl, very durable. Got tilt wheel. Even put a little wrapping around the gauges. That's kind of neat. Just noticed that myself. Got some switches down there. Electric fuel pump, electric fan sort of thing. Got the genie shifter down there with a reverse lockout. Little tack up there, up on top. It's a fun car. Something you can just go have some fun in. It's under 30 grand, which is unusual for hot rods nowadays. Costs so much to build them. Kind of a bargain. All right, we're gonna do a little power plant check on this thing. I'll show you the engine. So what you do is you go down here. You put the fuel pump on. Turn the key. Give it a kick. It's a good running car. I'll go ahead and show you under the hood. So basically here's the power plant. As I mentioned earlier, it's a bored out 360. Got some performance goodies on there. Nice dual exhaust. A little chrome stuff here and there. Got a chrome alternator. MSD ignition, which is great for these cars. Got a good hot spark. Got the Mopar Performance valve covers. There's your power booster. There's your VIN number. It's always important to have a VIN number. It's got an oversized radiator, electric fans, just really kind of, you know, dialed in so you can go drive it. It's got side port exhaust. Little rumble to it. Pretty cool car though. But if you want to come see this in person, come out and see me at California Cars. Our address is 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Ask for me. I'd be happy to help you out, give you a rundown on the car. Thanks for watching.